There's such a wide range of patients that don't need a certain type of excisional surgery yet. They don't need that extreme. And QuantumRF fills that gap, because now I can operate on a 35-year-old that's lost a little bit too much weight from being on GLP-1s, who has some neck laxity, that doesn't want a big incision, doesn't need even an endoscopic lift. QuantumRF fills that gap in that patient. Or in the mom who's actually athletic, works out, has 3 kids, doesn't need a tummy tuck, but wants a little bit of that tightening in the inner thighs, the lower and supraumbilical abdomen. QuantumRF allows me to customize treatments in all those people. So it's really basically almost anyone that walks in through my door can benefit from QuantumRF. Prior to QuantumRF, I really was missing, it was the missing link really, because I was missing and I had a gap in my practice of a high safety profile, but with something that distributes enough energy to produce actual physically tangible results. You can really see the tightening. I see it in real time. When I go in with the QuantumRF, I see the skin literally getting sucked in, and there's a little ASMR because I can actually hear it working every single time. And when I hear that sound, I know that that septa is shrinking, but I know it's also safe. So it has a very high safety profile in the right hands to be able to deliver the power that's necessary, yet being safe. So that retraction and that elasticity improvement in the skin, combined with your contouring procedures, is really the missing link that now has been filled. So one of the key things with QuantumRF that I love is that it has a versatility, and the most important thing is you don't need to do lipoaspiration after. So you actually don't need to suction fluid, you don't need to suction fat. It does the contouring of skin so effectively that you don't need to subtract volume under it and remove fat. So it works in patients who don't need liposuction. It works in people who are on the cusp that don't need lipo. It obviously works well if you do it in conjunction with liposuction, but the way that I can do versatility and perform with either the 10 or the 25 length allows me to go essentially from cheek all the way down to calves to tighten everywhere in the face and body.